I really like my dishwashing gloves to be soft because, yeah, the other ones just smells and it hurts. So I found this one. I like this color. It's like a very, very light minty green. And I got the size medium and it fits so nicely. And I like how it goes almost to my elbow because most of them are super short. But I really like this one. Yeah, medium is the best. Even though it looks a little big, but it actually fits really nice. So let's wash my carrot pan because I just used this one to make like a whole bunch of stuff. So it is dirt A. Can you see all the dirt on there? I mean, not dirt, but it was like soy sauce and oyster sauce. But yeah, look, it's amazing. Look at how just like all that stuff just cleaned so easily. I used water, warm water and soapy dish sponge thing, Mr. Dad sugar scrub thing. And yeah, I really like this gloves though. It is not thick and it's so easy to use and to wash my dish or my pan. I highly recommend this if you're looking for something that is awesome and soft because this is it.